everyone, this is Swayam and welcome to Cuisine. In today's recipe, we'll see how to make the most popular Thai dish, that is green Thai curry. It's one of my favorites, and Thai cuisine in general is a family favorite as it's packed with lots of flavors and it's infused with the creamy coconut milk, basil and the aroma of lemongrass is to die for. You need to try this out. So let's take a look at the recipe. First, we'll begin by making the green curry paste. Here we have the most important ingredient, lemongrass. We'll start by cutting off the stem, which is the root. Now pound it lightly as this is where all the juices are intact. Now cut only the thinnest part of the stem. Do not worry because the rest will not go waste as you can definitely use them while making tea. We'll go ahead and add the roasted coriander and cumin seeds to a blender, followed by ginger, garlic, onions, the cut lemongrass, some green chilies. Now if you noticed, I'm using the ingredients that are locally available. Like I used ginger instead of the galangal that is used in the Thai cuisine, and the regular chilies instead of the spicy one. Don't worry because it still brings out the great flavor. Now I have added the coriander leaves followed by the basil leaves and squeezed half a lemon, some black peppercorns to add that punch, salt for taste, and give a good mix. For the curry, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan and add in the green paste and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. In case you want to add some protein like chicken, this is the right time to add. If you're a vegetarian, you can totally skip this step and add rest of the ingredients as shown here. Now cook the chicken on high heat for 2-3 minutes, and at this stage add some salt for taste. Simmer and cook it for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now as you can see, the curry has dried out the bit. I'm gonna add the thin coconut milk and the finely cut mushrooms. Not to forget, add some salt, give it a good mix and then again cover it for 2 to 3 minutes. Steamy piping hot curry, I'm gonna add some carrot juliennes followed by baby corn and broccoli, some more salt to season them, give a quick toss. Once you see the chicken and the vegetables are all coming together and they're well coated with the green paste, this is exactly the time when we'll add the thick coconut milk. Mix it well and let this beauty cook for just few more minutes. Once the curry starts to boil, turn the flame off. And there you go, the lip-smacking Thai green curry with chicken is ready to be served hot. I'm gonna serve this with some flavored lemongrass rice. Yes, you heard me correct. As I said earlier, we can make use of the lemongrass in any form. Generally, this is served with the jasmine rice, but hey, we can still enjoy this with any steamed rice. Now I'm all ready to take a quick bite. Look at this creamy chicken and the green sauce. Trust me guys, the chicken is not only tender but it's flavorful all throughout and it's difficult to stuff with just one bite. Now this is how I enjoy my green Thai curry with some steaming hot rice. Please do give me a thumbs up if you liked watching this video. And hey, please do share your experiences while cooking this green Thai curry in your comment section below. I would love to hear them from you all. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, it's time you subscribe. Click on the bell icon to receive notifications. Keep watching Fusion Cuisine and I'll be back with another recipe very soon. Until then, happy cooking!